Yes, yes. My name is Vijay Lakshmi.
Okay. So, how are you?
I am fine, pretty well. What about you, ma'am?
I'm also doing great. Thanks for asking. So,
Yes.
yeah. Are you a teacher?
Yes, yes. I want to give my introduction.
Yeah, actually, I watched your conversation, I think, with Manju ma'am.
Yeah, it's a been long time, almost 4 5 months.
Okay,
Yes,
okay.
yes.
Okay, so
So as
please
you know, my
introduce yourself.
name is Vijay Lakshmi. I am from the Rajasthan. By profession, I am a teacher in the Rajasthan government, and I am a mother also. If I talk about my hobbies, so gardening all time my favorite hobby. That's all about me.
Oh, that's great. Yeah, I remembered once I watched your conversation with Chandan sir also. And
Yes,
I
yes,
think with Nutan, because,
yes, yes.
yeah,
It's a really
usually
fine
I,
I try to connect with the different people and try to take a one conversation at least one.
Yeah, that's great. That's great, and it's really amazing experience when we get opportunity to connect with different diversity of India. Like,
Yeah,
okay,
yes,
so it's my turn now. I'm Preeti, and I'm also a teacher like you, but I think you are on government job,
yes,
right?
yes. I am in government school. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm working in a private school, and yes, I'm taking their TGT English and SST classes. And if I talk about my educational qualifications, so I did MBA, then MA English and BEd. Apart
Okay.
from my teaching, I run my two YouTube channels. One is Easy Way to Learn with Preeti, that is my study channel, and another one is Easy Way Vlog, that is my vlogging channel. So
Okay.
that's all a little bit about me. If you want to ask, feel free to ask.
Yes. So, ma'am, when did you start your YouTube journey? How is it is running and how it is working? How can you improve yourself? And what is your purpose? You can elaborate something.
Okay. Yeah, my YouTube journey is going smoothly because I'm fully satisfied with the result. I'm not fully working there because I'm also a teacher like you. So if you are professional and working somewhere, so no doubt you have very less time to connect
Yeah.
with people and to spend on YouTube. I started my channel just to get courage and confidence, and
Yes, yes.
yes, I'm also finding result like in myself. There is a change, drastic change you can say, because when I started my channel that time I was not so much confident. I had knowledge that time also. I had good knowledge of grammar, no doubt, because I am teaching the same subject. But
Yeah.
when you are facing camera, so that time, it's obvious. Like if you are not habitual, so somewhere you
We feel
feel
nervous.
nervousness. Yes.
We feel
So same
definitely.
happened with me that time, but I now I'm fully confident. I can speak even with Modi ji also. So
Yes.
now,
But
now
that's
I
the
have no. Yeah, this is the result of consistency and practice, you can say, because now we all are habitual to speak out with different people, and this is the best quality which I observe. I haven't any motto like to get any fame and anything, because I am working and I'm fully satisfied with my job there. And apart from my learning journey, so learning journey is going with my teaching as well in school, because nowadays everywhere there is a good environment in private school. I don't know about the government school atmosphere, but yes, in my school there is a full environment of English. I have good experience of rural area as well in urban city. Now I'm taking classes in urban area, but earlier 1 or 2 years I spend in rural area also, especially to teach, yes, TGT and PGT both classes there. So it's going very nice, and now I get opportunity to connect every time with my student as well as with my colleagues in the school. I speak English there because no doubt I think forcefully every person have to speak English nowadays.
Yeah.
There is no yes, there is no chance to speak Hindi except Hindi teacher.
Yeah. Yes, it's a happen, ma'am, in the metro city and you can say the big city, but it's not possible to speak English all time. The rural area and especially the Rajasthan and you can say the UP, Bihar, these kind of state, they are considered some lagging behind in the matter of the illiteracy rate. So yes, we try to no, we try to create a English environment, especially in the English classroom, but it is not possible Hindi medium school. No, and especially in if I talk about the Rajasthan in the rural area and the towns, there is also English medium. Not school is a English medium. They also make to do English. No, they try to create an environment of make to do. Just ka kaam chalao English. So
Yeah.
yes, if you are blessed, if you are fortunate, you live in original environment. Your environment gives a no, we can say the impact on us, and it is also the environment. Just like we learn our own language, regional language, due to the our environment. There is a no reading habit, writing habits, no
Yeah.
speaking.
Yes. Yes.
No, it is only all about the environment. Yes, and I think if I talk about the YouTube channel, I also the same purpose here. I want to gain some confidence, and I want to share with you the incident 2 3 ago. And there is a you can say the retirement party, and suddenly this you can say the is secretary of the organization call me. If you want to say something on the occasion of the retirement, you can say, and it is the good opportunity, and I try to speak my words in a epiphanies. So that time now I gain confidence. Otherwise it is not possible if we are not happy to connect with different people. We are not
Mm-hmm.
able to speak in a public gathering, and I try to deliver my speech in a full of confidence. Yes, and people liked it, my student liked it, my colleague liked it. Yes, so definitely it will be beneficial for us.
Yes.
Maybe
Yes.
our
Yes.
channel is a success or no success, it is the different matter, but
Yeah.
definitely we gain confidence. We try to face different personality, try to the understand the psychology of the other person.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yes. Yes. Yeah, same happened with me. In the month of June, there was a seminar, and some well experienced teachers came, I think, from Delhi and from other cities. So that time also it was compulsory to give presentation in between other teachers and between new staff members, and when you are attending that type of seminar. So somehow it was my earlier feeling. I always feel like I can speak, I can give speech, but that time my legs always freeze.
Check shivering and
It happens earlier, yeah. Earlier it happened with me, but this in the latest seminar which I attended in the month of June, so I give really nice speech, and many teachers praised me also that time. So it was a nice experience, and I thought like it is the result only of conversation.
yes,
So
yeah,
because
it is, yes. Definitely, yes.
yes, because here we get courage, here we boost our confidence.
Yes, yes. Yes, I know now 2 3 colleagues, they are very good speaker. They can express their idea in the conversation, but in the public speaking and when we try to face the camera, we feel a different kind of consciousness in our mind. No, so it is a matter of practice, and it is, you can say, acquired skill.
Yes, yes, yes. No doubt if you have good knowledge, knowledge is different type, I think. Some person have good knowledge of writing skill. They are well in writing on maybe they cracked many exams for
Yeah,
job purpose. And even though they have hesitation, they have nervousness. And nowadays some person we can face like they have good confidence, they can
yeah,
speak between the public even though they have no good knowledge of grammar. So
yeah.
somehow it is said that in Hindi like jo
Well,
what we said, जो
in
दिखता
Hindi,
है वो बिकता है. Yes, yes,
yeah, yeah,
that is
yes.
sad, that is too sad.
यस यस इन राजस्थान भी से ना बोलने वाले के तो ना बेर भी बिकते हैं और न बोलने वाले के
Yes,
आम भी बिकते हैं, so we can
yes,
say
yes, yes. Yeah, these proverbs and idioms are truly sad, and it is true experience of us, because
Yeah.
nowadays students are not hesitate. They can easily speak in front of the teacher. Even they, if they can, they always show attitude. Many times, especially teenagers.
Yeah.
So I always think like in their age, we were not like them.
Yes,
We were very
because
hesitate.
our brought is the like that scenario. We should not speak much more. We should not become a serious person, solemn. So our brought up is the like that. And but nowadays we realize that the speaking is the more important, especially the communication skill is the more important. If we have a communication skill, if we are haven't any much more degree, we can't do no anything in this world. It is the matter of only to convey their idea.
Yes, yes, yes. How you can convey? It's really nice. And
Yes.
nowadays, like study is totally based on activity. So somehow it's a pressure of management also on the on every teacher. Like whether you are doing whatever you are doing in your period, in your lecture, you have to make the student be aware, be active every time, to take part in every type of activity. So somewhere I always think like in English, how can I teach through activity? So that's why I always try to teach my students, especially grammar portion. I always try to create something new in the classroom, like role play, presentation way. Because if I'm teaching them tenses, if I'm teaching them determiners and modal verb and different verbs, so I always try to give opportunities to different students, and
Yes.
they happily they are taking part. So it is really nice. Somehow I am also learning from their from my
Yes.
students.
Earlier time when we were in the our school time, so teacher come the class and give their lecture, and just we are sitting just like a idle person.
Yeah.
We are not take, especially in this language, no, English and Hindi and other languages, Punjabi and Sanskrit. There is no
Mhm.
activity. Maybe the
Yes.
another subject little bit activity included science and mathematics, but it is
Yeah.
considered the activity less subject. But nowadays we are creating different activities. No, sometimes we write the small sentence, try to make the bigger sentence, adding some another word, and try to create a different story. Give the one sentence and to create the story and join the another sentence. So these kind of activities we are trying to create nowadays, but our time is I think the different kind of the teaching, and nowadays we are trying to the different kind of teaching.
Yeah, I must say that time the scenario was totally different of today's,
Yes.
and that's why today's students are, they are computer mind students. They can easily handle, easily speak out any time, even week to week student, which are below average. They have
Yes.
good courage. They have no hesitation.
Yes. I had you can say a teacher who is teaching in America, and from the she is from the India. So she told me once I was teaching in the classroom, and you can say the CEO of the school visit to check the classes. Class was very silent. Also, he asked her, "Why is the class so silent?" No, the class take part. They should talk. They consider. They thinking about ask question. It is not good to class keep silent. And in India, we consider class keep silent. It means it is a good teacher.
Yeah. Yes, yes, yes. It happens many times.
Yeah.
We should not reveal this secret, but many times it happens like from someone maybe from our management side. They if they are putting the round because
Yeah.
it is their habit. So somehow if there is a sound and sound is coming from the classroom, they enter in the classroom and they always look and stare at the teacher side, why it is
You are
going on,
unable to
why there is a
control the class.
noise.
Yes, yes, they are
Yes,
giving expression. You are unable to control the class. How can you teach the class? But it is,
yes,
you can say,
yes,
the basic. And when they are talking, they are feel comfortable in the classroom environment. It means they are learning something. They
yes, yes.
the good environment, we can say. But yeah, it is the Indian mentality.
Yeah, sometimes it's happened, and that's why I'm not satisfied with the Indian study material and Indian education policy. Somewhere
Yes.
we always, it is my thinking, like if there is a noise, first observe which type of noise is there. If students are actively participated there, they are giving answer of the question, so it means that is good.
Yeah.
That is
Yes.
good. That is the participation of each and every student. But yes, in between, if there is the sound like a fish market, so in that case, somewhere like if two or three students are very weak, they are below the average. Somehow their
But
voice always decrease.
it is also signal, ma'am, if the student are afraid of the teacher, they can't learn. It is the proven. You know, when once I was in the classroom and one of my student not learning a single word, I am consistency observe him. One day I give a I give these kind of things. Another his you can say the classmate. Try to make them him understand, so and he can easily learn. So I realize in the his mind is a fear of teacher. So that day I
Mhm.
realized we should not try to scare him. We should create a light and healthy environment, a friendly environment that is the helpful for the new learning.
Yes, yes, yes. It's it's the time to bring a change between our mind mentality, because I think today's education policy, that is the CBSE new education policy, according to that, I think there should be a actively participation of each and every student in the class, and if noise is coming and increasing, that should be increased,
Yes.
because
Yeah.
that is going on only for 10 to 15 minutes, when teacher
Yes.
is asking a question and they are actively taking part there,
Yeah.
not the
Yes.
continue like 40 to 45 minutes. It's not going on there continue. And
Yes. Yes.
it's really nice, because we can't make pin drop silent is not good now.
Yeah. So, children are making the noise. They have a lot of curiosity. They ask questions. Sometimes they are not able to ask question a teacher. Sometimes they ask the classmates, their friends
Yes,
also.
yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes.
Okay. Bye,
So
ma'am.
thank you so much, Vijay Lakshmi ma'am, for connecting and sharing your opinions with me. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a great day.
Same here.